In this video, I will show you step by step how you can change your Roblox password just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, just open your Roblox account like this. Go to roblox.com, okay? And you will be directly in this home page of your Roblox account like this. What you will do next, you will click over here on setting, this icon over here on, and click on setting, okay, like this, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. Scroll down, okay, so just scroll down and you should see over here your password, okay. Click over here on this icon over here to edit your password, okay, and here you go. Put your new password here, for example like this, and put again your password here, then click over here on update, okay. And that's how you can change your password on Roblox. It's really super easy, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.